So it seems someone decided to pull a Google with a Pixel 7a before Google did. As yes, for any of you looking for everything you want to know about the Pixel 7a, someone already did that for us. It seems the iPhone 15 Pro will not launch with one of the features we've heard about for months, and any of you considering buying a Pixel Watch, you might want to wait for this one. I'm Jaime Rivera, and happy Monday, everyone. I know. Feel free to record this because I'll probably never repeat these words again. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today are non-existent, but let's start the video with Google since we have reports of a Pixel Watch that could emerge soon. According to this information, Google has decided to adopt an annual release cycle for the Pixel Watch, meaning that we can expect a new model alongside the Pixel 8 series later this year. Now, we still don't have any information about the new watch, but there is a chance we learn more about this next device at Google I/O. However, some rumors suggest that the overall round design is unlikely to change drastically and will just be refined instead, potentially with a larger display and smaller bezels. On the inside, we could see the Snapdragon W5 Plus make an appearance with its 4nm manufacturing process, giving the Pixel Watch a lot more power efficiency, which does make me wonder what'll happen with that Samsung collaboration. I mean, did that end, or did they just ditch the legacy Exynos, or I don't know. I thought that they were going to adopt the new one that is rumored for the next Galaxy Watch, but that seems to have changed. Let's see what we get, honestly, because what I just want most is a larger size option. Moving on, let's get to Nothing and their upcoming flagship, because it seems like some of the specifications just surfaced. The company has been teasing Phone 2 since MWC 2023 when they announced that they would launch a phone with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. I was there. That's all they said. Since that day, we haven't heard about Phone 2 until now. It seems we can expect Phone 2 to come with up to 12 gigs of RAM and up to 256 gigs of storage. The report also mentions that the display will be a 6.55-inch AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The list of potential specs also includes a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, alongside two other cameras that will most likely be an ultra-wide and an auxiliary cam of some sort. Finally, the phone is said to feature a 5,000 mAh battery with fast and wireless charging, all inside a premium body with glass on the back and front and an aluminum frame. Let's see, I mean, do we also get that mute slider that we saw in the teaser? Because that looked pretty hot. Now let's talk about Apple and Mark Gurman's report about the design of the upcoming iPhones. During the last few months, we have heard a lot of rumors about Cupertino changing the volume and power buttons to solid-state haptic buttons powered by a new separate haptic engine. However, this weekend, Gurman confirmed that the company has put an end to those plans and will instead introduce them probably next year. The main reason for the change of plans would be the high cost and the complexity of the new technology. Meng-Chi Kuo also reported a few weeks ago that the new buttons could be delayed due to unresolved technical issues before mass production. He also added that solid-state buttons will be limited to next year's Pro models, while the base models will stick to the current design. So yeah, it's safe to assume that we'll have to wait until next year to see the change happen, even though, I mean, we do have all the reliable sources fine, but I'm just wondering, how much do you really care about this? I mean, do you really want that? Because in my case, it's like, eh. And finally, for the hottest news today, let's get back to Google, because we have new hands-on video of the Pixel 7a ahead of its launch, which at this point is clear will happen on Wednesday. It is a 60-minute video in which the owner claims that he bought the unit, probably on eBay, not a review unit. He goes on to show the Pixel 7a from all angles, comparing it to previous models. We can see that it has a flat display, and I know a lot of you will celebrate that. The specs seem to match what we've heard so far, with the device sporting a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus display at 90Hz refresh rate, and the Pixel 7a will also apparently be powered by Tensor G2, 8 gigs of RAM, a 4,300 mAh battery, which is the only spec that changes from previous reports that claimed the 4,400 unit. It is also confirmed that it'll bring a 64-megapixel main shooter, giving the camera department a huge improvement when compared to its 12-megapixel predecessor. So yeah, this is the conclusion of months of leaks leaks and reports from many sources. Now we just have to wait, 2 more days before Google's official announcement. But anyways, in today's question, let us know, what do you think about the Pixel 7a so far? Because in my case, it looks pretty solid to me, but I just hope they don't change the price. The price is going to make a huge difference. It's been getting more expensive over the years, and I don't like that. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow us on social media as our extended coverage happens on Instagram, and follow me on my personal handles to see me say miraculous words every now and then. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.